Government steers efforts to propel drone-led cargo initiatives.
Government as the regulator and the facilitator of the drone industry is very conscious that we need to put our best foot forward. So the first step that we took is ease of doing business. The drone rules were put in place. They in fact in many ways democratized the use of drones. There were hordes of applications that had to be filed, the hordes of permissions that had to be taken. We brought them down from 25 to 5. There were various fees that had to be paid. We have brought them down to 3 now. The aerospace map has been published, according to which 90% of the aerospace in the country is green. You're free to fly the drones there. DigiSky was spoken about, but I believe that there's some work that needs to be done in that space.
DP World commences operation of its free trade warehouse zone at the Integrated Chennai Business Park. Satish Lakkaraju recently shared some intriguing market insights.
On the technological side, we are seeing a lot of advancements that are coming in terms of robotic process automation is one area where we see a lot more of it being implemented as one area. The other area is the use of cloud in terms of storage of documents, and that is the other area that we are seeing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning has come to a certain extent, but I wouldn't say that that's come to a very large extent, but I would presume that that will be another trend that we will definitely see in terms of using artificial intelligence to increase predictability of cargo and the trends, and especially in the current scenario where Red Sea has created a lot of disruptions. I think using technology will be the other area that we will see. So on the air cargo side, the trends that we are seeing is that with the challenges in the ocean freight, we are seeing capacity constraints coming on certain routes. So deployment of freighters, especially for the pharma industry, is something which we all should be looking at it. And Chicago as a destination continues to be a major hub, which is a great opportunity for customers who are catering to North American market.